Assalamu alaikum viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. You might have known Pakistan as the land of mangoes, towering mountains and cricket-obsessed citizens. However, there's more to this fascinating country that meets the eye thanks to its ancient history and vibrant culture. Pakistan is a special country known for making tourists feel like royalty. The unmissable dramatic landscape, natural beauty, and culinary escapades are heavenly. However, not everyone gets to travel to this South Asian jewel. These facts about Pakistan will surely clue you into the lesser known bits of information so you don't have to stray from the conservation. Pakistan has the world's second largest Muslim population. The country is officially known as the Islamic Republic of Pakistan for a reason, and that's because it contains the second largest population of Muslims all over the globe, after its fellow Southeast Asian country, Indonesia. The fact that Pakistan currently has a population of nearly 243 million people adds to the statistics. Not only that, but about 97% of Pakistanis are Muslims. Number 2. One of the world's oldest and largest civilization thrived in this country. As the world's fifth most populous country, you can expect a melting pot of cultures and languages. One that had thrived throughout Pakistan history is the renowned Indus Valley Civilization. The Indus Valley Civilization is one of the three earliest to exist, along with ancient Mesopotamians and Egyptians. Part of the Bronze Age, this society lasted from 3300 BCE through 1300 BCE in the southwestern parts of South Asia, comprising Pakistan, Afghanistan, and India. Growing along the banks of the Indus River, this society encompassed thoroughly planned cities and towns with water and drainage infrastructure that resembles modern government like systems. Traces of this ancient civilization can be found in museums across the globe in the forms of relics, weaponry, handicrafts, and fossils. Number third one is Urdu is the official language, but it's the fourth most commonly spoken. Expanding on the previous point, Pakistan has abundant languages attached to all its different cultures. Currently, there are 14 other languages spoken, including Urdu, Punjabi, Pashto, Sindhi, and Seraiki. According to Translators Without Borders, Punjabi is the most widely spoken language in the country. 39% of the population speaks Punjabi as their first language. This is followed by Pashto 16%, then Seraiki 14%. Urdu and English are the official languages. However, only about 10% of Pakistan population uses it. English comes in last place with only 0.01% of the people using it as the first language to communicate. Number fourth one, the National Bank of Pakistan has the world's highest ATM. Fancy drawing some fresh notes from the bank's highest ATM. You can't really say you have lived life to the extreme if you haven't had this bucket list worthy moment. Imagine that you are surrounded by snow-capped mountains, a staggering 15,300 feet above ground, just some cash from a solar and wind powered ATM. There's reason for its seemingly and odd location at the Khunjerab Pass, border between China and Pakistan though. This cash machine adds staff and residents crossing the Pakistani-Chinese border. As for travelers, they come here for epic selfies while drawing cash. Next, the highest paved international road in the world is in Pakistan. Technically a part of China as well, the Karakoram Highway connects the western part of China to Pakistan, known as the China-Pakistan Friendship Highway. The road's construction started in 1962 and was completed and opened in 1979. It's one of the few roads that cross the Himalayas, extended almost 500 miles. Next, the world's fifth largest mosque resides in Pakistan's capital city. Pakistan capital city Islamabad is home to one of the largest mosques in the world and the largest in South Asia, the Faisal Mosque. The mosque is located in the Margala Hills and stand out for its unique appearance. Unlike most mosques that feature the typical dome structure, this landmark boasts an unconventional design shaped like a Bedouin tent surrounded by four towering minarets. Pakistan is home to the largest seaport in the world. The Arabian Sea sits along Pakistan's southern border with a coastline stretching for 649.9 miles, which the Indus River flows into. Pakistan is the largest football producer. While Pakistan has an affinity for cricketing, it plays a major role in the footballing realm, not for the actual sport, but for producing more than half of the world's footballs. Nearly 70% of the globe's soccer balls are made in Sialkot, Pakistan. Moreover, the multinational company in Sialkot, Forward Sports, makes 750,000 balls per month for renowned brands including Adidas. Next is field hockey is Pakistan's national sports. Here's one of the Pakistan facts that might shock you. Contrary to popular belief, field hockey is actually the country's national sport. In fact, Pakistan's achievements in field hockey are often overlooked by their cricketing accomplishments.